Right, so let's look at the pharmacy. So chemists are normally called pharmacies in the UK, and you can get all sorts of medicines from them. So you go to a pharmacy, you want to talk to the chemist. But it's a pharmacy, a building called a pharmacy. Go inside. Okay. And you can get all sorts of medicines, what's called over the counter. Over the counter. So the counter is the counter where you put the money and you collect the medicine, where you go to pay. The actual area here, this place where you put your hands, the wood, for example, or metal, the table, the desk, the counter, happens over the counter. You can pay and you can get your medicine. You don't need what's called a prescription. You don't need one. Which a prescription is basically a doctor saying you need this medicine. Here's permission to go and get some, to go and buy some. But you don't need permission with most over the counter things, over the counter medicines. Yeah. But you can also buy things like bandages. You've got a pain here, broken arm for example, you put something around it. Bandage. Yeah. Little cough drops. Little sweets that you can suck on when you've got a dry throat or you've got a cough. But you don't chew it. Don't chew. Don't chew. Yeah, don't chew. No, just suck. And beyond. Plasters. Plaster. So you got a bit of a cut here, little issue there. You just put a plaster. That's it. You got a bit of a cut here, paper cut. That's it. And leave the cut to heal. Little cut. Leave it to heal. Put a plaster over the cut. That's really it. Different from a bandage. A bandage is more a bigger cut, or like a broken arm or something. You need to roll some cloth round where it hurts. And they have cream. So for example, let's say again you got issue with the skin, dry skin for example, or you got a cut again, you don't want it to be infected, you put a bit of cream, you rub it in. Yeah, rub the cream in. Cream. And there's tablets. So tablets, most things, little pills really. Little pills. Maybe like paracetamol. Or laxatives. Or anything, constipation pills. Most of the kind of drugs and medicines. Try to remember what some of them are called now. Paracetamol, that's a good one. There was a certain super drug, but I forgot what it's called right now. It slips my memory. But yeah, little tablets you can take, little pills. Pills. Hay fever tablets. Hay fever. Yeah, not the one I was thinking of, but hay fever tablets are a good example. Hay fever, in the summer, there's more pollen in the air from the trees. Irritates people's noses. They sneeze. Take some tablets with water. You're fine. Tablets. Little tablets. And ointments. Very similar to cream, but stronger smelling. Maybe you have to rub it in on a larger area, the entire arm for example, or across the face. Ointments. Made of different things than creams. Creams might be more white and they oily. Ointments, I'm not sure, maybe oily but clear and see-through and stronger smelling and got more parts. Yeah. Maybe a good one will be called germaline. Germaline. which has got some antibacterial properties, where it kills the bacteria and maybe viruses as well. So antibacterial. It helps prevent infections. Helps prevent cuts or wounds from being infected by bacteria. Yeah, so how cool is that? So, bandage, cough drops, plasters, cream, tablets, ointments. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep going.